In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and use the latest premium codes for the Castle Movie app to unlock VIP access. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through step by step. Step 1 is to open your browser and search. Start by launching any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Castle Movie app premium codes. This will bring up a list of websites claiming to offer VIP or rewards codes for the Castle app. Step 2 is to look for code listings. Click on a link that looks promising, something like Get Premium Access Castle App VIP Rewards Code Today. Once you're on the site, scroll through the page. These pages usually explain how to use the codes, what the benefits are, and list one or more working codes. Thirdly, try multiple sources if needed. If one site doesn't have an active code or it's expired, don't worry. Just go back to the search results and try the next link. There are plenty of websites sharing new codes regularly, so you'll always have options. Step 4 is an example using a referral code. On one of the sites I found, there was an invitation code shown clearly. You can copy that referral code and try entering it in the Castle Movie app to see if it unlocks the VIP features you're looking for. And that's how you can find and use Castle Movie app premium codes to get VIP access for free. Be sure to try different sources if one doesn't work, and keep checking back for newly updated codes. Thank you for watching this video.